guys, Life Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with my beautiful mama. This is Mama B and we're reacting to Polys, which is NESIANs in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to the fams here, Manifold, and this track is called Dear Mounty. We've reacted to these guys a couple times before. Honestly love what they're about, love the message that, you know, our youth here is you know, sharing with, you know, the rest of the world and the rest of our youth, especially coming out of an area such as, you know, Mount Druitt, known for, you know, some notorious things. But yeah, so don't forget fams, NESIAN movement. We have a small business here from Otara, owned by Lawrence. They're called NESIAN Hustle. As you guys can see, the two different designs. They have other ones as well. I really love it. Really stands out. The material is golden. I love their stuff, honestly, lasts long. And their brand is all about representing poly people, poly brothers and sisters that go through the hustle struggle. So yeah, that happens a lot with our poly or just our NESIAN people in general, and yeah, it's something that doesn't run away from us. It just keeps following us wherever we go.
Keeps you humble.
100%. And some people greedy. But yeah. So please check them out. Sizes do go up to 5XL, so if you're wanting to purchase something, at least you know that it goes up to 5XL, and they will probably have your size. But yeah, check them out. Shout out to those behind the scenes and those that have helped out with the track, the visuals, audio and all that jazz, and thank you to those that have requested. Let's go. Dear Mounty.
Acknowledging the natives of Australia.
Yeah, I love that they do that too.
Yeah, and something that we all need to do.
Ah!
Out on the streets, only got one love. Didn't have it all, but we had enough. All glory to the men above, bringing peace to the streets we love. I wanna move forward. The neighborhood's calling me. Enough with this talking. Let's show how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah.
Hey, D Mounty, I think it's been about 10 years since you found me. And ever since then I'm not ashamed to say my life has changed, my life will never be the same. Living out here through the blood, sweat and tears, things get severe in the 7. I get it. But hey, every day is a blessing in a way, and there's nowhere in the world that I'd rather be.
100%. Every day is a blessing.
Every day is a blessing because you're alive.
Yeah, you're not guaranteed, you know. Oh man. And yeah, I like that he says that, you know. It's like people saying the same thing about Otara. You know, I wouldn't have had it any other way.
I'm going to keep using reference back to Otara because it's so similar. Even though people may agree to disagree, but so similar.
And there's nowhere in the world that I'd rather be. But somewhere along the line, they made struggle street, now people think it's all crime. Nah, you know that's a lie. There's more to this place than what meets the eye. What meets the eye. Yeah, every other day there's a fight, but when it's all said and done, we get along and it's alright. And I look at all the kids in the area, they'll be alright when all the G's look and care for ya. Hey, and I swear that's the truth. The future's real bright for the kids and the youth. They got mad talent and they all excel at the sports and the arts. Man, the sky is the limit. Take a closer look around, there's hope in the hood, and the love is so profound. And if you live in Mounty, consider it a bounty. Mad love for the hood, for my town.
Out on the streets, only got one love. Didn't have it all, but we had enough. All glory to the men above, bringing peace to the streets we love. I wanna move forward. The neighborhood's calling me. Enough with this talking. Let's show how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah.
Mounty, think it's about time we make a change and stop the neighborhood from looking so strange. But hey, look, it ain't that bad. We gotta be grateful for the things that we have. We got the family, the friendship, the love and never ends instead of enemies. We gotta drop the beef and make amends and start a trend. No need for weapons. Focus on the love that you have for all of your brethren. Manifold back in the.
Yeah, focusing on love can do many things, you know. Change many hearts. You know, you can't fix all the hate in the world with hate. You know, you gotta fix it with love.
Start with within your family. Yeah, just being grateful. Like, wake up and want to be grateful you have your family with you. Some don't. Some don't even have parents. Some have lost their siblings or parents. Be grateful.
Love that you have for all of your brethren. Manifold back another track with the team. Sitting here in paradise, it's not a struggle street. Not ashamed of where I sit, not even a little bit. Even when I'm growing, getting paid and I'm killing it. I stay humble with the place that I'm from. The place where I'm born and raised and living on. But you see the beautiful place we carry on. Manifold on sight, cause you know we stay strong. From Herbert Fields to when in reserve, let's give Mounty the name and the praise it deserves. From Black Gear to all my G's and Shav. I'm grateful for all the love I have around me. And even if I had a chance, I'll never leave. And if I do and I end up overseas, forever call the 70 home, raising the 27, let it be known.
100%, man.
Just like us.
Yeah.
We know that wherever we go in this world, Otara will always be home.
Yeah.
Just like Mount Druitt will always be home to these guys. Wherever you go, wherever you were born and then you decide, you know, to take another path in life, move overseas, you'll never forget home.
100%.
It humbles you.
Raising the 27, let it be known.
Out on the streets, only got one love. Didn't have it all, but we had enough. All glory to the men above. Bringing peace to the streets we love. I wanna move forward. The neighborhood's calling me. Enough with this talking. Let's show how it's supposed to be. Out on the streets, only got one love. Didn't have it all, but we had enough. All glory to the men above. Bringing peace to the streets we love. I wanna move forward. The neighborhood's calling me. Enough with this talking. Let's show how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah.
My people keep calling, calling, calling. Oh, yeah.
And I thought back at it again with a powerful message. Everything they talk about is just everything, you know,
It's
that I
what they
think.
dream
Yeah.
and hope for, Mount Druitt.
100%. I mean, yeah, like no matter what people think on the outside, you know, home will always be home. Yeah, it's just, it's, I guess.
Doesn't matter where you come from. Like, it can be the grubbiest of grubbiest places. Like, everyone
Absolutely,
stereotypes Otara as, we're only going to use Otara because we've never been to Mount Druitt, so don't want to step on anyone's toes. But we come from Otara, and people would look down on Otara. It's the most grubbiest of grubby places of all. But it was home for us. Felt safe. We were happy. Like, back in the days, never used to worry about what people thought about Otara, because come Saturday, everyone from around Auckland would come to Otara flea markets. It was just, like the market brought people together. It was no one worried about their safety on Saturdays. So it's the little thing, it's the way people think, their mindset.
100%.
But if you know deep in your heart, you know, that's home. Carry it with you wherever you go.
Yeah. 100%. Yeah, you've lived there, like, you know, you gotta learn to love it, you know?
And you don't want to see anything bad come out of the place. So I applaud these guys, honestly, for the work that you kids, you young ones are doing, spreading the message and that. Can only hope for the best. God bless you guys.
100%. I see why the name Manifold. I just saw that it was a street. I was thinking it was, you know, there was a different meaning behind it. But yeah, awesome track again. I love the message, and I love seeing the kids. You know, I love seeing them. It literally reminds me of me growing up. You know, playing outside on skateboards.
Kids everywhere playing.
Yeah.
Where you're supposed to be.
Yeah. Even though it's
enjoying
kids playing outside.
Playing outside, safe.
You don't see kids playing out on the street here because it's not safe. But many parks supervised. Yeah, you just
It's like a ghost town here. It's so different. Well done, Manifold.
Done it again. Again.
I wish you guys all the best, man.
100%, man. And I see some new faces as well, so it's nice to see some new faces.
Beautiful
Amazing
voice.
vocals, amazing message yet again. Didn't hear Moana
Yeah, Moana was quiet, but her brother was on this film.
Yeah, you can see
Twins
them.
have twins.
They look like twins. But yeah, awesome video, guys. Awesome. Yeah, I love the visuals.
Don't forget, fams, please. NESIAN movement. You notice just was saying NESIAN now instead of Poly, just to include our Micronesian and Melanesian brothers across
It only
Pacific
makes
Ocean.
sense,
Yeah.
100%. So check out our NESIAN fams here, NESIAN businesses, also those behind the scene. But yeah, other than that, fams, much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!